Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about how I organized my life. So basically this is how I use different strategies and techniques to organize my life till now. So first thing I'm going to show you is this weekly organizer that I got from Lifestyle. Actually my brother got this for me, and it was very nice at the time that it was when I used it. That makes no sense. It was very nice when I used it, and I will show you guys why I actually liked it a lot. So one side of it has a really nice to-do list, and then it has two sticky notes which are very sticky, to be very honest, and it has one huge notepad that's good for writing down your list and stuff. And then the other side has an entire weekly view. It starts off with Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then notes. And it's all perforated so you can take it off when you're finished with the week. I actually very liked it back then, but then I realized that it was very bulky and it was like a very big, and honestly it was hardcover, so it was like very it was hard to carry around, to be very honest. After that, I started using this one, which is My Life Organized, and this is a list planner. This was my phase when I was actually very much into making lists and just writing down stuff. So this one is holographic, first of all, so one of my favorites all of a sudden. Automatically, I love this. Second of all, it was divided. So at that time, I really liked it, and I divided it into 3 sections: personal, work, and university. And each section has really nice quotes on it. So the first one had, "A goal without a plan is just a wish." And then the second section had the quote, "If you want to be happy, set a goal that commands your thoughts, liberates your energy, and inspires your hopes." And the last one had, "Believe you can and you're halfway there," by Theodore Roosevelt. Can't say that name properly, but let me show you guys how I actually managed it. So I used to write down the date on the top and then write down everything that I had to do that day. And in the notes section, I used to write down just some random stuff. And basically when I was finished with that, I would just take it off because it was perforated, so it was very easy to just tear out the page. Now, that being said, I stopped using this entire method because of the fact that I wasn't really into dividing stuff. I wanted all of my day plans to be in one place rather than having different lists for university, work, and personal stuff. So because of that, as you can see, that in the university section, I didn't even bother writing anything because I didn't really understand how that was possible. So because of that, I stopped using this, and now I'm going to show you guys the thing that I use right now. So the thing that I use right now is my bullet journal. So basically bullet journals, I think I've made a video about this, so I will link it in the info card right now to go to that video. But bullet journals, I just love them. I have fallen in love with the idea of bullet journaling, and let me just show you guys how I organize this for university. So over here I have my spring overview. So what I do is I just write down the months for my spring semester, and after that we have the March monthly view, and then we move on to the weekly views. And the idea for March I had was very industrial and kind of like that. And now we move on to the second weekly view, and actually I started doing this thing, which is I used to write down the things I had to do throughout the week, and then I would do it every single day as well. So that's a very nice technique, I feel like. And then this is the week that we're in right now. So as you guys can see, I have like a recurring theme, or like a color chosen for each month. So for March it was yellow because of the light bulbs, and then for spring it was green. And then if we move back to February, it was purple. So I used the color purple all throughout February because it was my birthday month and purple is my favorite color. So yeah. And then if you go all the way back to January, it was orange for January, and then I used like a golden color for the winter semester. So that's how I organized this planner to be useful for me. And alongside this, I use another thing, which is this really beautiful book I got from Daiso. It's very handy, it's very small, and basically it has two memo pads. One of them is in craft paper and the second one is white paper. So the craft paper I mainly use for to-do lists, and the white paper I use for like planning ahead or stuff like that. And I will actually show you guys that I use one of the white memos to write down my plan for the next 3 semesters so that I know which classes to take for the next semesters. So that's how I planned out my entire like university years, and that's what I'm using right now to plan out all of my stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this organized your lives as well a little bit. I hope this gave you inspiration, and I will see you guys next week. So thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.